up, Cam fam? Today we're doing Iftari at Eat Namkeen in New Jersey. I've been hearing about this place a lot. I needed to try it out before I head out of state. So let's go do Iftari. Hey Cam fam, we just ate our Iftari and now we're actually heading to a car meet. What's up fam? We made it to the car meet. We got the Big Body M5, my boy's 5 Series.
Cam is vlogging, guys.
You know the vibes.
Title should be
Big Body M5. That's all I'm hearing tonight. And Big Body Lambo. Let me hear that! Let me hear that one more time! What's up Cam fam? We in the Big Body M5 right now. There's some runs about to go down. My boy Sama. It's time to catch some W's, guys. Let's go, boy! Let's go, boy! Let's go! Time for the blue Supra that we saw earlier. Yo, Sama, how do you feel after that W?
It's a light W.
Light W, light W. 3-way run. 3-way run.
Count me in. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
3-way run. 3-way run. Gap. What's good, Cam fam? We are on our way home now. We just gave a couple L's once again.
Successful day of giving out L's.
Good successful day of giving out L's. Damn, my boy's on a roll, man. I can't even count how many times this guy just won.
I want to get that Supra now.
It's time to go get this Supra. Yo, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40.
Now get this nigga too. Get this nigga too. Stupid, silly. Stupid, silly. Silly.
Damn guys, Salma's capped so many people today that
Car caught a fucking check engine.
check engine light
Gotta go
at
start
114. Damn. Too many W's.
Eat some peanuts, pull in there.
Word. Big mood.